So this is where it all begins. This is the shell of a 12 by 40 office structure in the making. So as you can see, we've literally cut this in half. We'll be adding structural steel to the ceiling. We've already taken this floor out and we've added structural steel to the floor. So in another day or two, this will be fully enclosed as a solid steel structure, which will then convert into an office space. 3twenty Modular is a designer and manufacturer of steel-based modular structures. We build offices, wash cars, workforce housing, and other modular structures for mining, oil and gas, construction companies, and governments as well. I'm a co-founder of 3twenty Modular, and I'm responsible for a variety of aspects of this company. Some days I'm a sales guy, other day I'm an accountant, and some days I'm helping put floor in myself.
Background is civil engineering, but I'm a co-founder, so that's a wide variety of things I do every day, so it's just basically do what needs to get done.
Brian and Evan hired me to be the lead hand in their welding department, make sure everything runs smoothly. Yeah, this is wonderful. Wake up every day, be here for 7, get done at 3:30, and it's nice to be able to just go home every night and not have to travel on the road like you hear so much of these days just to find work.
I really see a huge potential in modular construction, just with all the efficiencies being inside. We're inside today. If we were outside, this would not be that fun. And today we can work any day. They're just fun to build. It's fun to see an 8-wide container go to a 12-foot wide container, and you walk inside and it's amazing.
So here you can see a 480 square foot open space, commonly used as a boardroom, as site trailer, first aid shack, meeting space, anything on a construction or oil and gas site.
We use one-time use containers, so they've only made one trip from China. We take them and we decide, okay, are we building a 12-wide or are we going to build an 8-wide wash car? Decide what we're going to do with it. And then we start cutting windows and doors in, plumbing vents, everything solid welded into it.
So right behind me, we're going through the spray foam process. So this is where we bring in a subcontractor to spray on a 2-pound closed cell spray foam insulation.
And then we drywall it depending on what the client wants and do all the finishes and paint it and then get it out the door.
What's neat about manufacturing is you're always transforming something into something new. So it allows you to be agile, to be flexible, react to the marketplace, and always carve out new niches. That's what's exciting and interesting about manufacturing when you don't really know where it's going to take you. We just finished a project that'll be going to the northern tip of Alaska.
There are 60,000 pounds of just steel each module. And for example, our typical finished 12 by 40 container is 20,000 pounds finished. So they're heavy duty. We need very skilled guys here because we're doing so much custom stuff. And it's just a lot easier to deal with professionals. That's a very important part too, is don't be afraid to hire on good people and treat them well.
Evan and Brian know that I'm an archer and that takes a lot of time. If I can put in my 40 hours, come in early or stay a little bit late throughout the week, I can usually leave on a Friday a little bit early. So it's nice, they're really accommodating like that and they understand my passion for the outdoors.
The best part of my job is that it's not really a job. As an entrepreneur, you choose to be here. You're building a business. You're creating your own job. I never feel like I'm waking up and coming to work. I feel like I'm waking up to just kind of go have fun every day.
I love it. It's a new challenge every day. I really like this type of manufacturing where it's big, it's heavy, it's a lot of work. You get to work with a lot of exciting people that care about what they do too. And every client is different and they need different things. So there's no repetition here and there's so much potential to grow. So every day is great. I love coming to work.